In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner on Squarespace, and we'll get through it in just about 5 minutes. Starting off, head over to the Squarespace website. This is where your journey to adding a new banner to your site begins. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Please click on it. Squarespace offers several ways to log in, but for simplicity and for those who use Google services, click on Continue with Google. This should streamline your login process. Then all you have to do is click on the Google account you want to use. It's that easy. Now that you're logged into Squarespace, it's time to navigate to your website. You'll find the link to do this directly on the dashboard or on the Squarespace homepage once logged in. The interface is very user-friendly, so your website should be just a click away. Once you've found your website, it's time to start the editing process. You'll want to click on Edit. This will take you to the back end of your site where all the magic happens. In edit mode, you have the freedom to customize nearly every aspect of your website, including adding new banners. When you're ready to add your banner, look for the option that says Add Block. This functionality allows you to insert different types of content into your web page. Since we're focusing on adding a banner, you will then select Add Image from the available blocks. This is where you will be uploading the image you want to use for your banner. Select Image to bring up the image upload options. Here you have a choice. You can upload an image from your computer by clicking on Upload an Image, or you can choose an image from the built-in Squarespace stock images. To explore the stock images, click on Browse Stock Images. Squarespace has a wide variety of high-quality images at your disposal, so feel free to take your time to find the one that best suits your site's aesthetic. After you've chosen your image, it's as simple as clicking on ADD Image to insert it into your web page. Once the image is in place, you can resize it to your liking. This is crucial as the size of your banner can significantly affect your website's appearance and user experience. Take a moment to play around with the dimensions to find what looks best. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Click on Save, and voila, your new banner is now part of your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a banner to your Squarespace site. Remember, your website is often the first impression potential customers get of your business. So take the time to ensure your banner reflects the professionalism and style you want to project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful guides.